All right, so we got them all hooked up. We're moving them out. They're done. We moved a couple out yesterday. You saw the time lapse of that. Ben so expertly hooked this one already. That makes you a hooker. We're gonna open the door and see a lovely 8 inches of snow from today. And bring the bar in and grab this one pallets, and we're gonna get these two loaded up. Alright, you saw the one that got put on there. Now we're going to move this one over a little bit closer. The small wheels make it nice and easy to move. So you might have heard me mention in one of the videos or one of the posts that they were 800 to 900 pounds. I'm going to guess that they're closer to 12 to 1,300 pounds. So there's a little bit to them. So it's February right now. If everything goes right, we'll be installing these out in the landscape here in May. So not totally necessary. What's that done? It's not totally necessary, but we're putting a little poly over the top. And that's just going to keep these from filling up a little bit more. Or filling up with water, snow, anything like that. Or actually, we just like to get dizzy. Putting the shrink wrap on them. These have been in the shop for over a week now, so the concrete's cured enough to get outside. Using the heavy-duty stone pallets with the front cross members, which will really, we won't have to worry about those at all. So we're just doing a little shrink wrap around the plastic cap. Keep snow and everything from falling down on the inside. Don't really think it'll hurt anything, but the chance of moisture getting in there and freezing and pushing right now. That's all. Magic. Alright, about ready to grab the next one. You'll also see we're taking these finely trimmed pieces of wood, otherwise known as pergola cutoffs. Sexy. And just sticking them into the CMU on the top. If we don't do that, what we found the last time I made these is the chain can bounce around a little bit. These just go in there, stabilize the chain a little bit, and minimizes the swing. There we go. All right, let's get that. We're just going to wrap these two together. They're not going to fall off, but just in case one hits one, that'd be mean. Hits a bounce, we don't lose one, they'll be together. They're going to get stored out back till we're ready to put them on. Installed it. Alright, Ben's going to finish wrapping that one up. Just wanted to give you a quick video on how we moved it. A couple people DM'd me just on like, those are really cool, but how the heck do you move them? There, now you know. Hook in the center, chain down the middle, nice and easy. Most of the time. Lift them up, set them down. The gantry crane, we're going to use that when we actually set them in. Because we use the chain fall, and you're able to just lower them in a little bit easier instead of the with the skid loader. But there we go. We're going to move them on out. Glenn with Schweitzer's Nursery and Landscaping, Gardens of Castle Rock. Thanks for watching. Good.